reaches in and bites him.
You see the right line.
He's out.
2-point deduction. The fight will go on. 2-point.
Major. It's over. I think they've just about had him. More fighting in the ring after the end of the fight.
To come inside. This is the second bite of the round. Right on Evander's ear.
It's like Dracula time.
The headbutt in the second round, which opened the gash on your eye. Tell us about that first.
He butted me in the first round, but then he butted me again in the second round. Then as soon as he butted me, I watched him. He had me holding, he looked right at me, and I saw him, and he was going for it, and he kept going for it, and he butted me again. He kept going down and coming up, and he charged into me. And no one warned him, no one took any points for him. What am I to do? This is my career. I can't continue getting butted like that. I got children to raise, and this guy keeps butting me, trying to cut me and get me stopped on cut. I got to retaliate.
Now immediately you stopped. You stopped fighting immediately right there, and you turned to Mills Lane, and you said what? And the result was he did nothing. But what did you say to Mills right at that time?
I don't remember what I said. I told him that he butted me, but I know I complained about being butted. And we complained about the first fight. Listen, Holyfield's not the tough warrior everyone said he is. He got little nicks on him there, and he quit. I got an eye. I got one eye. I got one eye. He's not impaired. He got ears. I got one eye. Big deal. If he take one, I got another one. I'm ready to fight. He didn't want to fight. I'm ready to fight him right now.
Mills Lane, no. Mills Lane stopped the fight. It wasn't Holyfield who stopped.
Oh, he didn't want to fight.
Let me ask.
We don't know what Mills did. Don't put nothing on Mills.
Well, Mills said he stopped the fight. You bit him. Was that a retaliation for the eye when you bit him in his ear?
Regardless of what I did, he butted me for 2 fights.
But you got to address it, Mike.
I did address it. I addressed it in the ring.
Why did you do that, though, Mike? I mean, was that the proper response?
Look at me. I got to go home. My kids are going to be scared of me. Look at me, man.
What are you going to do now in terms of your...
The crowd erupted in anger. The media went into frenzy, and the legend's reputation collapsed in an instant. Shouts echoed throughout the arena, with some fans hurling bottles and objects into the ring. Many who came hoping to witness Tyson's redemption instead left with deep disappointment. The next day, the media didn't talk about boxing techniques, nor about victory or defeat. All they spoke about was Tyson's bite. Images of Holyfield's damaged ear spread across the globe. Magazines, newspapers, and television made the instant front-page news. The fight later became infamous as the bite fight, a humiliating scandal that stained the career of a champion. That night, Mike Tyson lost more than just a match. He lost the public's trust, his dignity, and his image as an athlete. And the event was forever etched as one of the darkest moments in sports history.
You look at it slow motion, we clench, and you know what? You put your head like this, I did my head like this, so it's like, you can see that I'm putting my ear, and like I'm setting myself up, I do like this, and when you bit my ear, it show you how I pull my arm, because you were holding my arm, and I pull my arm, and man, you know, and everybody would tell me, said, God, hold on, you got leap, man, did you see how high you jumped? So I jump, and like this and stuff, and time I come down, boy, and like, you know, because I'm from the ghetto, and so my first thing is, I'm gonna grab him and battle hug him and bite the day, like I got to get him back. And I kept on saying, I wanna get him back, I wanna get him back, I wanna get him back. I said, no, don't stop it now. I wanna get him back. So we go back in, and all of a sudden, you bit this here. I wasn't the same one? No, it's different. It's different here. You bit my ear. What? I jumped up and I said, I knew I was just kicking. Well, you gonna kick me? I'll get ready. I said, I'm gonna kick him.
From the very first rounds, the fight was brutal. Holyfield kept pressing forward, armed with sharp technique and unshakable willpower. Tyson, frustrated by his inability to break through his opponent's defense, began to lose control. Then came the shocking moment in round 3. In the middle of a clinch, Tyson bit Holyfield's ear. The fight resumed, but Tyson did it again, this time even more viciously. Holyfield's ear was badly injured, and the referee had no choice but to stop the bout. Chaos erupted inside the arena. The crowd was furious, with some throwing objects into the ring. The next day, the media no longer spoke about strategies or boxing skills. They only focused on one thing: Tyson's bite. The reputation of Iron Mike crumbled, and the event went down in history as the bite fight, one of the darkest scandals in the world of sports. From this fight, we learn a powerful lesson. Even the strongest can be defeated, not by an opponent, but by their own emotions, frustration, and lack of self-control. The message is clear. True strength is not just physical, it is also mental. Emotional discipline matters more than a moment of rage. One bad decision can destroy years of hard-earned reputation. That night, Tyson lost in disgrace. But for us, his story remains a reminder. Never let emotions rule your life. Because true victory is not just about knocking down an opponent. It's about mastering yourself in the hardest moments. The story of Mike Tyson versus Evander Holyfield is not just about a fight, but about how a single moment of lost emotion can change the course of a life. Tyson once stood at the top of the world, respected, feared, even idolized. But that night, he revealed his most fragile side, that without self-control, even the greatest power can collapse in an instant. From this, we learn, true greatness is not measured by how many times we win, but by how we preserve our dignity in the hardest moments. Real victory is not only about knocking down an opponent, but conquering ourselves, our ego, our anger, and our frustration. Mike Tyson may have lost that fight, but for us, he left behind a powerful lesson. That life is about how we rise, how we control ourselves, and how we protect the good name we have built. Because in the end, what will be remembered is not just the punches, but the attitude, the character, and the legacy we leave behind.